Hello guys, welcome back to Where's Cassie?
Part 2. Well, actually,
And this has more jump scares than usual than the first one.
chapter. Yeah. This one is actually very hard, and it's a little bit confusing, and it's way longer than usual. So let's go ahead and start it.
And I have a channel it doesn't have any videos yet, but I'm about to. Well, I made a video about this chapter 1 of this.
Oh yeah. Also, guys, I'm making a Discord server for absolutely no reason.
Nah. Okay, so this is what happened in the end of chapter 1.
I need to go inside to find
as you saw in the first video.
Also, yes, both me and James are on mobile. James, hurry up.
Oh my, I keep forgetting. I saw Cassie.
Sus. Yeah, suspicious.
I found a hammer.
Lounge.
I just found a hammer.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, just making sure I'm recording. Okay. Found another one.
Okay.
Last one is in the kitchen.
That's probably somewhere we didn't
Found
expect. Okay. Ouch.
I got the house key.
Yes.
You had to redo this times.
Bro, I needed to restart the whole game all over again. Because, bro, I don't know what happened.
I kept on disconnecting during the first few tries. And then during the fourth try, I had to go somewhere.
Yeah. But we're back.
Yeah.
All of us. In a future vid, it's in this store.
Yeah, what's this store? No. At least I can play in the clock.
Oh. Not this again. I'm hallucinating, I guess.
We do know how to play this, because, there was a lot of behind the scenes. That can be in a future video.
I made a channel, but, I'm back too.
There's no videos.
I could switch to this account also.
No.
Genre. Wait, I'm gonna drink it. Wait, why did you turn tiny? Oh, the potion made you like that. Okay, I'm just wait. Lotus? I don't trust this. I'll drink. Oh my bro. No.
Why am I super fast?
Oh, I remember this level. It's really hard.
Yeah, me and James almost rage quitted at this level.
Oh my. Stella. It jump scared us 2 times in a row. Find one more button.
Is that the last button?
What? It's not the one in the middle. Of this.
Is that the last button? Or like the second to last button?
Yeah. Click it though. Wait, I think you need to do all buttons, then you could do that. Wait, maybe it... Oh, I found it.
Click it. Nice. Now, just what if... Oh, I found it.
Wait, where did you find it? I never seen that button.
It's at the door with the buttons.
Oh. Wait, these...
Oh, it's an invisible maze.
I'm just gonna follow these footprints. Wait, it's working. Never mind. Just follow the footprints. I made it.
I can't.
You need to follow the footprints.
I can't. Show me the way, please.
I just found Cassie.
Please show me please show me the way, bro.
Here.
Can't go there. I can't go there for some reason. Ah.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay, what is this?
Is that Cassie?
Cassie?
Yo.
Why does she have super happy face? Come here. Come here.
I got it. Go back. Okay, we need to enter the bathroom. There is a pure necklace in
Did you just forget how to pronounce pearl?
Nah. How long do you think we're going to do these videos for?
I don't know.
Like 20 years?
No, definitely not 20 years. Maybe like 5 something. I can't freaking move.
Okay, I found the bathroom. I found the bathroom. What do I do now? Oh, I found it.
I can't move again.
Yeah, I have to hurry back to Cassie. Wait. That's a possessed Cassie trying to get me. Oh no.
Run.
I'm running. I'm running fast. Okay. Try to do the maze as fast as you can.
I did.
No. Follow the footprints.
Why is my mom so loud?
Yeah. You didn't know, please hear me out.
Why are you voicing Cassie? I should be voicing her.
Feet are in a supernatural rock find
A Luigi board.
The spirit's been trying to ruin our natural world as me. Oh, it's a spirit who looks exactly like her. I think it's this one.
Yeah.
Let's go through both of them.
Oh, I found it. Come on, let's get out of here.
Yes.
Cassie, I'm so glad you are back. What happened? Where were you? We were worried. It's a long story, but hold on a moment. So much for saving me. It's great to be back and safe.
Yay!
I'm
He's
glad you came to
back.
find me. I would still be stuck if it wasn't for you. Guys, I have learned my lesson, and I won't do it again. Why'd you even have a Luigi?
Luigi board. You have completed the good ending in part 2. Replay part 2 to get the bad ending too. Every code
We might
267.
do that in a separate video.
Yeah. Or maybe like soon. I don't know.
Or maybe like in 5 days, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, this is the end of the video. We really hope you enjoyed. And James' new channel and also my channel will be linked somewhere on our channel. We both don't have any videos, so we should really start posting more on there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for our next one. Bye!
Bye.